Got him. Very good. Very good.
Let's see how many you can crack.
I saved some for you guys.
Did you film me?
I got you working on.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Philip. Yeah.
Yeah, because with him I crunched down
You know,
more.
it was good. Yeah.
Yeah. But.
Got it.
Oh, you got him. Good.
Get up, quick.
Didn't give him enough time to react.
Good one.
Breathe.
I was.
Breathe again. No?
Good.
Yeah, it's alright.
Yeah.
Next one.
Probably up a tiny bit.
Oh.
There, that's him.
Okay.
That's the one.
Breathe.
Oh, yes.
Got it?
I got it.
Cool.
Beautiful.
So that's.
You know that feeling I had when I had
Go
hair?
to sleep now. I won't. Yeah.
Yep.
And it's a little bit further down the table.
Was that the table?
That was the table, yeah.
That's all.
Yeah.
Hey, look, Brian Ryan's got hair.
No, not quite. Maybe it's just not enough weight. Does somebody want to try who's a bit heavier?
With me?
That would be me.
That's you.
Yeah.
We're talking here.
Yeah, and a bit lower as well, but also definitely there.
Yes, not enough. He's too big.
It does like feel weight,
Yeah.
just feel on that weight, yes. So
Yeah. I usually do it the elbow and hold it like a squat. I don't do that to all kinds though.
Yeah.
there's one more.
Not given.
No, not giving probably just hold it tight. But that's the right time.